Right, hello everyone and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for a daily? Don't do dailies anymore. Just an Anfield Road expansion update. It's very windy today, so anything through the mic I do apologise. I've got my wind muff on and hopefully that's doing the job. So before I start, I'm going to take a slow fly over. But if people have been following what I'm doing with the homeless, I've been highlighting the homeless problem in my city, basically in Liverpool, in England. Been getting in with all sorts of groups. I'll leave a list of the groups at the end for anyone that wants to check them out and help them out. Also, I met a homeless lad called Graham while doing homeless stuff, and he has now found somewhere to live. Now he's not asking for anything, but he's got a YouTube channel called Pep EMU Fund, which I'll put on the screen now. And if anyone wants to follow his page and help him out, or subscribe to his channel, just so we can try and get to 1,000 subscribers, that'd be great to help him out. He's just literally got somewhere to stay in the last 2 days. He's been homeless for 3 months, and he wants to get back into photography and his YouTube channel. So if anyone's interested in trains or just wants to help him out, go across to his channel and subscribe for him, please. So there's been something on the screen and I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks a lot, guys. Right, let's check out what's going on. In fact, I saw someone over on a cherry picker over here, so let's go over here first. Although there's a lift there going up. There's a big orange crane there as well. Right, let's have a look. Alright, so no one's on it, it's just there. I'm sure it was on the move, you know. Someone got off to go somewhere. No one's in there, are they? No, okay. So let's see how the road's getting on around this side, because this is the way it needs to start coming around now, this side. Game on Wednesday in 2 days' time against Luton Town, so they're going to want as much of this done as possible. But that was tarmac, wasn't it? It's all being pulled up, so I reckon they're wanting to get that laid in 2 days. It's possible, isn't it? So, you know what, they might only want to get this section done here in 2 days. Well, has it been pulled up at all? Yeah, it has, hasn't it? Okay. I will have a closer look at all the forever stones on Wednesday when the match is on, when you can walk around. I forgot how hard it is to fly and talk at the same time. Right, what are these guys up to up here, down here? I see loads of work going on inside now. It's not like it used to be where you could just see loads going on. Everything's inside now. The very, very final knockings, this. Okay. Can't quite tell what's going on there, so I'm not even going to guess. All the horticulturists might be interested in this here. All the trees that have gone in, the shrubbery, the bushes. I'm trying to use posh words here. Shrubbery. It's looking good. So what's going on at the end of the wall here? That's not the end of the wall. That's, well, oh, it is. That's a finished end, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Right, I'll fly over that side now. Get the gag, see what's going on. See what he's doing on the lift now. They're working on a lamppost, aren't they? But what exactly are they doing on lampposts? And actually fitting lights to them. Wait there, let me just pull out a sec. Oh. Yeah, so that one hasn't got one on. I think they're actually putting lights on them, aren't they? Be able to see more properly when I get on a bigger screen. Yeah, but something's going on there. I'll come down to where the terracing was. Yeah, it's still there. Nothing's been moved inside, has it? No, it's all still there. Okay. It's being windy, I don't really know if I want to fly over or not yet. I'm rushing this guy because I haven't been here for a while. What's he lifting? Oh, he's just dropping the bucket off. Okay. Yeah, I'll go over and have a little look, so I'll get higher. Go over. Bear with me. I'll cut this bit out. So, looking into the corner now, I'm going to zoom in. Nothing going on yet. Okay. What's that there? Oh, it's the Gansey for the camera, that's all that was. Yeah, okay. I now know what that is. Yeah, guys, that's about it, to be fair. People have been asking me to come and have a look, but if that's what you want, that's what I'll do, but there's not a lot to look at, guys. That's why I've not been here that much. And I've been honest, I'm getting a lot more enjoyment out of doing the homeless stuff. It's really eye-opening. So if you haven't seen it, go and have a look. It's, some really sad stories on there of people that need help. Yeah, they're definitely putting lights on there. I think that's the first one I was getting a minute. Yeah, can't see any more of them on. Have I captured the first? I haven't seen anyone's videos, I don't know. Well, that's a little bit of interest if that's what's going on there. But why did they pick like one random one in the middle? Why don't they start at the end and work their way along? Oh, hold on. No, it's not a first. There we go. So that's what it's going to look like, putting down at the... No, it's not putting down, I think it just needs adjusting. Don't know. It's the honest answer. Right, okay, so when did they go? I wonder if they all went on today. So there's one there, so yeah. They all need adjusting still, don't they? And directing, I'd imagine, of where they're going to point. I don't want to drag on too long, guys, so I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Oh yeah, they're all on down here. Is that the one I just looked at? I can't remember. Yeah, no, all them. So they started this end, haven't they? That's what happens. Yeah, that one there. That one there. Very windy. My nose is running away with me. Right, guys, gonna leave it there. If you think I've missed anything, let me know. In fact, what's that crane doing? One look at this. Just dangling there. Yeah, if you think I missed anything, let me know. And I'll take a look next time. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like it. It's coming to the end of this now. I'll be back on Wednesday to have a look at the grounds. See how it's all getting on. And yeah, if you can subscribe to Graham's channel for me, that'd be great and really help him out. The lads had a really tough time. If you don't know about him, have a look at my channel. There'll be one with him with his name on, so just go and have a look at his story. You know, he's a great lad. Right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.